The following is brought to you by paulakers.net.
Hello everyone, today I'm going up to the northern island of Hokkaido. Now, a lot of people don't get up to this part of Japan because it's so far north, but it's actually a very beautiful place, particularly in the summertime, because it is just the perfect temperature, the perfect climate. I went hiking up at Mount Asadake, and that was a beautiful experience, as well as wandering through the farmland. In the wintertime, however, this place is piled deep with snow. In some of the farmland area, they get as much as 8 foot of snow, but in the summertime, it is the perfect place. Everything's in bloom. There are beautiful flower farms everywhere. There are beautiful rice farms. It's just a very, very special place. A lot of ski resorts up in this area. Niseko would be one of the most famous ones. And in addition to that, they have great onsens everywhere as well. These natural hot springs, very, very popular in Japan amongst the Japanese people. They have the onsens by the ocean. They have them in the middle. They even have onsens that are just piled with snow, and in the wintertime, everyone goes into these onsens, and there's snow everywhere. They have indoors, they have outdoor ones. They even have this fabulous zoo where the animals are supposed to be particularly happy. And I have to tell you, my experience there, the animals did look pretty happy. This polar bear probably typified that more than anything else. There was about 3 or 4 polar bears in this particular enclosure, and this guy was having more fun interacting with the people through the mirrors. Seemed very friendly, but you and I both know they're really not in real life. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember, like and subscribe and pass this on to other people. Let's change the world together. And remember my app, 2 Second Lean Play. It's all free, and it has all my books in the audio version, as well as some other great authors. You're really going to enjoy it.
Brought to you by paulakers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2 Second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2 Second Lean Play app at paulakers.net.